Hello, this is Vicki Leroux with Create and Adorn. This is a little different video. It's just kind of a little extra video I'm going to pop up as a way to help my students make their decision for their color palettes for their kits for our first live online class of 2021, which is Saturday, January 16th at noon. And there are 8 different color options, and I took pictures of all of them. But generally, when we used to have in-person classes, I liked to go through the palettes with all the students before they chose them. And so that's kind of what this video is. And so it probably won't be up for too long because it's for a specific project. However, if you did want to order a kit and join us for class, the last day to do that is January 4th. The kits will probably still be available on the website after that, but not with so many color options. I generally make a lot of color options just for the class. But then the kit will probably still be available. I will kind of go through those details and leave links below and stuff towards the end of the video. I'm going to go through the colors first. So this is the class we're doing, our lovely shimmering chains. And I know it's kind of difficult to see, and I apologize for the lighting. It's not nighttime, it's 12 noon, but it's just so dark right now. But this is meant to be kind of a subtle necklace. It has like the layered chains that we've been seeing, for the last couple of years, but I added in some color. So there's just really subtle color in the crystal and then in also the silk cording. And I was inspired for the color palettes from Pantone's color choices for 2021. So I made up 4 different color stories from Pantone's colors, and then there are 2 options for the silk cord. And in the sample, it's not terribly visible. It's not meant to be. It's really meant to be like a subtle peekaboo of color. But for each of the options, there is one silk color that's more subtle and one that's a little more vibrant. And even the more vibrant one will still, still be subtle. So, but it's really beautiful. I think it's really just a lovely piece. It's 28 inches long. You could make it longer if you wanted to by just adding an extension clasp instead of the toggle I have on the back. You can definitely do chain and extension longer in the back if you want, and it's still a lovely, lovely piece. So I'm going to move her out of the way so I can talk about the colors. Okay. So the first one is Pantone's color of the year. It's the Ultimate Gray. I'm trying to hold it in the camera, but also in the light. So Ultimate Gray is one of Pantone's colors of the year for 2021. And this is what the sample is in. So that's how subtle the color looks on the piece. It's a beautiful mix of grays, but also soft pinks and plums and blacks. And so in the sample, I have it in the gray. This is with the gray silk, and that's where we use the gray silk. Like I'm saying, it's a lot more subtle. The color is very subtle, very neutral. So even though there's some pretty colors in there, it's still very soft, very wearable. They really all are, but as far as options go, that one's really subtle. If you did want a little stronger color and to pick up more of the pinks and plums, we could do the pink silk, and that would make the other colors pop. And so that's a beautiful choice that works well with that. And like I was saying, the silk cord in here is really kind of blends in with the chains, but it is really actually visible when you're making the piece. And so it will make a difference in the color options I'm actually going to grab. Sorry for my arm right across the camera. Okay. This story is in Winter Peach. And so she also has like the soft plums, but more of champagne tones, really cool tones, because it's still a silver vibe. So this could easily be a warm tone palette if we had added golds and warmer colors, but I purposely kept it all kind of cool tones of plums and peach and champagne, and there's a metallic like brown in here that's just beautiful. And so when we again, if I put it with the blushy silk, very subtle, right? Very, very neutral, just really, really soft, very, very pretty. If I want those colors to pop, again, I'm adding this pink. And this pink will really help the plums and pinks in here really pop and bring out those colors. And so either one is a lovely choice for our winter peach. This color story is based on Pantone's color called Inkwell. So when I think of inky, it's kind of very dark Montana blues and blacks and dark grays. So lots of pretty tones in there. And I would put it with the black silk probably. And this will, like I said, get you a nice, really glamorous look. Lots of color coming through with that. But with the black, it will make it a little more subtle, more subdued. Very, very pretty though. If we want to bring out more of those colors, we can do this light blue. And remember, all these cords are together, and so it's a stronger look. So when it's spread out over the necklace, it won't be this strong of a look, but it will make these colors really, really pop more. Isn't that pretty? It's really going to be a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. Okay, and then the last one is based off Pantone's color story that's called Amethyst Orchard. So it's very similar to maybe the Ultimate Gray, the first one, but there's no blacks. And there's not really gray in here, even though it looks like it. It's a kind of muted gray plummy color that's really very soft, kind of opal type of color, with lots of light lilac colors and light pinks. And so to really bring out that purple is our Lilac Silk that will pop, make all those purples and things pop in a very, very pretty way. If you want this to be a little more of a subtle necklace, but with this color story, then black is a beautiful choice for that. That's really gorgeous. That'll, again, make these kind of colors pop, but a little more subtle than the lilac color silk. So there you go. There is our 8 color options for our beautiful necklace here, our Shimmering Chains necklace. I will leave links below. Again, this class is live online Saturday, January 16th. The last day to order a kit to receive it in time for class is this Monday, January 4th. And like I said, the kits will probably still be available after that, but probably only with a couple of the color options. It's $38. I will also leave a discount code below, though, that can get you 10% off. The classes are $20. When you purchase the kit, there's an option to add on the class. You can add it on for an additional $20. You can use the discount code to save 10% on that as well. Our Modern Jewelry Creator members, though, classes are free for all of our members. And so I will leave a link to our membership as well, which you can, and a discount code for that. You can sign up now for only $25 a month. And so if you do a couple classes a month, it's already paying for it. But there's plenty of other benefits to our membership. But members take our classes for free. And I will tell you, the technique kind of needed for this is knotting, right? These strands of silk, the crystals are knotted, right? And it's not something you want to learn working on this necklace. You really want to know your knotting. And if you've done knotting before, but it's been a while and you need a refresher, I'm going to do a refresher for this technique in our Saturday night bead party, which is our online bead party, which will always be the first Saturday of each month, except for this month. We're going to start it next Saturday on the 9th. You can sign up for that as well, and that's exactly what it sounds like. It's an online bead party. You bring whatever project you want and hang out with us for a couple hours. I'll go over different techniques and tricks and options, and I definitely will walk through knotting to give you a refresher on it in preparation for this upcoming class. our online bead parties. You can sign up for those as well on our website. They're $1 for our members and $10 for anyone else that wants to join us. So I think that's about everything. And thank you for joining me. There are close-up pictures of all of these on our website. Again, I'll leave links below. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you in a regular video coming up this week as well. Thanks so much. Take care. Sparkle brightly like the star that you are. Peace.